Where do you start with cloud management? Most organizations are already doing some cloud management, but as cloud usage grows, so do the costs, and they can get out of hand pretty fast. So that's where FinOps comes in, because FinOps gives you structure. It helps teams to understand where money is going, why it's being spent, and how to control it. So what are the first wins? Well, that's probably finding wastage. We're talking about abandoned zombie resources that are costing you money every day and delivering absolutely zero business value. Cleaning up those is low effort, high impact. Next, you want to strengthen your governance. So if you have poor tagging, blind spots, FinOps tools shine a light on it. Some even allow you to virtually tag, so you can organize and manage cloud resources much more clearly, even outside of the vendor portals. Strong governance also helps to prevent surprise costs with features like anomaly detection that help you to catch issues early, and not when your bills have suddenly shot up unexpectedly. And long term, you can start optimizing spend, so securing better rates, reserved instances, and smarter procurement. Want to go even further? Then there's chargeback and showback that bring accountability for your cloud spend, connecting cloud costs to the teams that are driving the demand. It is a journey, but it's totally achievable. To dive deeper, check out the full episode of the Head in the Cloud podcast, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more FinOps insights. Thank you for watching.